Hey guys, welcome to our channel. So in this video I'm going to tell you how to post anonymously on Facebook account. So you can see this is my Facebook account. So first of all, if you don't have account, you can create account, or also you have already joined some account, just click on this three dots button. So here you can find the groups option. So simply just click on groups option. So after selecting this, here you can see there are many groups. Like I have joined also many groups: freelancer in Pakistan, Pakistan molding agency. These are my simple groups. So simply I click here. So after when you see this group is open, so simply you can type here, write something. Now here you can create any post. So after this you can see on the top option post anonymously. So when you click on this option is on. I want to post anonymously. After selecting this option, you can post anonymously in a Facebook group.